Can you believe it? Bitcoin has just hit an all-time high of $123,000. It's incredible to think about how far we've come since the early days of cryptocurrency. Back in 2009, Bitcoin was practically a novelty, trading for just a few cents. Fast forward to today, and we're witnessing a monumental shift in the financial landscape. This surge to $123,000 isn't just a number, it's a reflection of growing acceptance and adoption of Bitcoin as a legitimate asset class. Institutional investors are diving in, with companies like Tesla and MicroStrategy leading the charge. They see Bitcoin not just as a speculative asset, but as a hedge against inflation and a store of value, much like gold. It's fascinating to watch traditional finance and crypto converge, creating a new era of investment opportunities. Now, let's talk about the factors driving this price explosion. The limited supply of Bitcoin plays a crucial role. With only 21 million coins ever to be mined, the scarcity is real. As demand increases, especially from retail and institutional investors, the price is bound to rise. It's basic economics, supply and demand. And with the recent halving events, which reduce the rate at which new bitcoins are created, we're seeing the effects of that scarcity in real time. Another significant factor is the increasing regulatory clarity around cryptocurrencies. Governments are starting to recognize the potential of blockchain technology and are working to create frameworks that protect investors while fostering innovation. This clarity is encouraging more people to invest in Bitcoin, knowing that there's a regulatory environment that supports it. Let's not forget the role of global events. Economic uncertainty, geopolitical tensions, and the ongoing impacts of the pandemic have pushed many to seek alternative investments. Bitcoin is often viewed as digital gold, a safe haven during turbulent times. As more people turn to it for security, the demand continues to rise, pushing the price higher. And what about the technology behind Bitcoin? The blockchain is revolutionary. It offers transparency, security, and decentralization, which are appealing qualities in today's digital age. More businesses are starting to accept Bitcoin as a form of payment, and with advancements in technology, transactions are becoming faster and more efficient. This is only going to enhance Bitcoin's utility and value. Of course, with all this excitement, we can't ignore the volatility that comes with it. The crypto market is notorious for its wild price swings. One day you're celebrating a new all-time high, and the next, you're watching the price drop dramatically. It's a roller coaster ride, and for many, that's part of the thrill. But it's essential to approach this market with caution and do your research. As we celebrate this milestone of $123,000, it's crucial to remember that Bitcoin is still in its infancy. The potential for growth is enormous, but so are the risks. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting, staying informed and understanding the market dynamics is key. The journey of Bitcoin is far from over, and who knows where we'll be in the next few years. One thing is for sure. The world is watching, and the future of finance is being reshaped right before our eyes.